Don't make a $750 HVAC mistake. At ZZ HVAC, we handle all your heating and cooling needs with honest pricing, superior warranties, and fast service. We specialize in replacing outdated heating and cooling systems. If you will send us pictures of your existing system, including the serial numbers, we'll be very happy to give you a price over the phone. Already have a quote from another contractor? Put us to the test. If you send us a copy of their contract, we guarantee to beat their price. And if we can't, we'll send you $750. That's how confident we are that we can earn your business. There is no reason why you need to overpay, especially when it's an apples-to-apples comparison. Contact ZZ HVAC today, 808-556-4552. After our central office provides you with a price that's agreeable to you, we will dispatch our local partner installer to do a tech measure and arrange with you for an installation time. Call now and we can have cold air blowing in your home within the next 24 to 48 hours. 808-556-4552.